Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. This is a on-grid PV system. In this system, we used here AC power supply and DC voltage source also. We can operate our total system by using this DC voltage source. You see here that we included here a LCD display, and this LCD display will be displayed the values of our total system. Here we displayed grid voltage, battery voltage, solar voltage and current value. So you see here that our current value is almost 0.03 or nearest, but when we will turn on our load, at that moment our value will be increases to 0.54 or 64 value. So when we return off the device, at that moment value of current will be reduced and it will be 0.03 or nearest value. So now we will turn off our supply from battery, and we will make sure power supply from our grid line, and this grid line will operate our total system. And when we will make sure the power supply from grid line, at that moment we also connect our battery source with our grid, and at that moment grid will be make sure the charging for our battery and operate our total system from this grid supply. So you see here that we can control our or operate our DC and AC loads here. This one DC, this one AC. In this system we use here a inverter for make AC from DC voltage, and when we will be cut off our grid line, at that moment our AC load will be turned on again, and we use here a manual switch also after inverter. That's why it's not turning on again, and now we can check it again when we will connect our grid connection. At that moment AC load will be provide more brightness. When grid line will be disconnected, at that moment it will take 1 second and turn on our AC load again automatically. Yes, it's working properly, and you see here that we can connect this grid connection again. At that moment AC load will be more bright. So in this system our total system will be operated from solar system and grid system. Battery will be charging here from solar panel and grid system also, and this battery will provide 12 volt DC voltage for our inverter, and inverter will provide AC voltage for our AC loads. So this was the full overview of our project. So I think you are clear about this project, that you can control your or operate your DC loads and AC loads from your solar panel, and in the same cases you can operate your AC loads and DC loads from your battery source, and on the other hand you can control your total system or DC or AC loads also from your grid connection. So this is the full overview of our project. Thank you so much for staying with us for a long time, and if you want to make this project, then you can contact with us. Our all details will be included in our description. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.